Hey everybody, it's Brett Watkins with Premier Home Experts and RE/MAX Champions. So check this out. I'm currently sitting in my attic, my extremely hot attic, and I just wanted to fill you guys in on something. I bought this house and it had a brand new air conditioner installed, and that's terrific. It works great. What the problem is they connected the brand new air conditioner to the old ductwork. This house was built in 1973. The ductwork's from 1973, and that's not entirely good. It's old, it's coming apart, it's been, stepped on over the years, whatever. It's just not good. So I've got some work to do up here, and I'll give you a quick little view around here. This is actually the old pan that they left up here when they did the work. There's barely any insulation up here. You can see the connection from the new to the old, and that goes way back in there throughout the entire house. So just a little heads up, just because you buy a new house and it's got a new air conditioner, doesn't necessarily mean that you're not going to still have some work that needs to be done. Ductwork's not entirely cheap to replace. Mainly it's labor intensive, it's hot up here, and they charge you for that. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys again soon.